What's up, Coaster Spotters? This is Coaster Spot Extended. Jason the Southerner reporting from Dollywood and Hidden Hollow Aviation. Gonna take a trip up Iron Mountain on good old number engine 70 Cinderella and show you what is happening for 2026. Lots of work has been done since our last update, so stay tuned. Lots and lots of work has been done at the 2026 site, and we are still not sure what the attraction is going to be. It's looking less and less like it's going to be some type of a motion theater thing like Soarin'. Now, the most recent teaser uncovers something about Secret Lake and invites us to take the plunge in 2026. So, what is it? What is it going to be? Is there going to be some type of a water element in it? Who knows? But we'll give you a look at the progress here in just a sec. Here we go. Here is the site of Hidden Hollow Aviation. As you can see, they have hung up banners. They have started to dig into the ground. Maybe it could be a moving theater. I don't know. But they've hung up the banners, Hidden Hollow Aviation, coming 2026. You can see another big banner over here. Yeah, they're digging into the earth. Looks like there's maybe some places where they're going to put some footers. We have heard that Pete Owens has announced that this new attraction will allow the park to extend its season. So that'll be kind of interesting. So Hidden Hollow Aviation, Secret Lake, take flight 2026, take the plunge 2026. You can see they've done some work also here on the hillside where they've removed some trees and stuff like that. So maybe whatever is that's going to be in that building is going to come out and ride the hillside a little bit. It's just the prep work that's been done has been done around the site. Nothing really extending out yet unless they're expecting to, you know, start that type of work a little bit later. But anyway, whatever it is, as I said, it's certainly going to be impressive. There's Big Bear through the woods and the beautiful Smoky Mountains in the background. Obviously, lots of leaves in the trees. It is summertime here in the Smokies, and everything is green and very lush and very filled in. But beautiful, beautiful park down there.
While you're there, you'll see the Great Smoky Mountains again. If you need to see it, hang it there to Blue Mountain. Hey, y'all, radio fire, Cinderella's named that knowledge makes clothes. Takes about 5,000 gallons of water. We are hoping y'all have a blessed day. Keep having a blessed day. And thanks again.
But I wanted to point out a little work that has been done over here at Blazing Fury. There has been a new sign added to Blazing Fury, and there is some construction equipment outside of the attraction. So they're working on it, so I wonder what's going on inside. But I love that new sign. I believe that fire station there at the top of the roof is new as well. I don't know what is going on with this, and you really can't see. Oh, well, it's just a small fence. This is all that you've got behind here. So I don't know. I don't know when we'll see this reopen, but I'm looking forward to seeing Blazing Fury come back to life, hopefully soon. But gosh, I just gotta say, I just love that sign. I just love the way that looks. I cannot wait for it to reopen. Just a few quick updates of Hidden Hollow Aviation and Blazing Fury. Noodle takeover here on the pathway back to the tornado. We'll get you a couple more shots from the Big Bear queue when we get back there and ride it. Making our way into Wildwood Grove and heading back to Big Bear Mountain. So what's lying beyond Big Bear? Well, if you want some more information about Hidden Hollow Aviation, call 865-868-0168 or text HIDDEN to 41274 to find out about what is beyond Big Bear coming to Dollywood in 2026, inviting us to take flight and take the plunge. You can see the little Seeking Adventurers bulletins and banners are kind of all over Wildwood Grove, advertising what's coming. And this building here is actually called Hidden Hollow. It's indoor playground, and the name of it is Hidden Hollow. So They're kind of playing off of that. So, and I think the Wildwood tree here will play into the story of what's ever coming next year. Approaching Big Bear Mountain, that building just really looms behind the coaster very nicely. It really looks a lot bigger from this standpoint than it actually is, than it did from the train as far as I'm concerned. So we'll show you what it looks like from beyond the queue lines. I'm gonna go take a ride on Big Bear Mountain. There is the building and Big Bear pulling in for its final leg there. So yeah, what is it? My bets are on Mock Coaster Experience. Is it a Mock Water Coaster? Who knows? But I know it's gonna be cool. I know it's gonna be something different. It's definitely something for Mock. So we cannot wait to see what Dollywood has in store for 2026. We're here to catch the drone show. I hear the drone show for the 40th anniversary celebration is pretty awesome. So I can't wait to see it. Just begins here in 10 minutes.
It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what. Bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate. 'Cause baby, you're
Love the fireworks and drone show this year. Love the coaster logos. Lasted about 20 minutes, which was longer than previous years. I really enjoyed that 40th anniversary drone with the fireworks in the middle of it. It was great. It's been a great day at Dollywood here. What do you think is coming beyond Big Bear in 2026? What is Hidden Hollow Aviation all about? Make a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. This has been Jason, Coaster Spot Extended, reporting from Dollywood. Like, comment, subscribe. Take care now.